it's Smriti from Pilates Nest. Welcome to your energy boosting ab workout. Today's workout is designed to give you a boost of energy, build strength in your abdominals, and complete this workout feeling energized. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's start laying down on our mat. So with your legs hip distance apart, arms reach forward, lengthening the spine up towards the ceiling, shoulders over the hip, and roll your spine down vertebra by vertebra, melting the spine, and rest the head. And bring your legs about hip distance apart. Find your neutral spine here. From here, we're going to start with imprinting the spine on the mat, so stretching your low back on the mat, and then bring it back into neutral, and stretch, and in. So we're warming up the abdominals, stretching the lower back, which is right behind those abdominals, right? Last one, and out. And now bring your right leg into tabletop, and then hinge that leg down. Up, and down. Now let's go to the other side. Up, and down. Warming up those abdominals, up, and down. Now bring both legs into tabletop. Press those inner thighs together. Going into knee folds with both legs. So lower the legs and bring it up. Keeping the pelvis stable as you lower the leg and lifting up. Inhale, lower, and exhale, up. Keep the pelvis stable. Lift your pelvic floor muscles up and lift. Last two. Maintain that 90 degree in the knee joint. Last one, and up. From here, nod your chin towards your chest, straighten the legs out, and pump here. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is too much for you, you can bend your knees or rest the head, but keep pumping. Really engaging those waistline to come in towards your midline. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deep breath in, longer breath out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reaching long and strong. And exhale. In 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more set. And exhale. Bend the knees, hug the legs in. Right leg in, left leg out. Switch and hold the other leg for single straight leg stretch. Switch. For more of a challenge, if you're ready, lift the upper body up and over, looking at your belly button. Switch and reach. Elbows are wide to the side. Your gaze is towards your belly button to take that strain away from the neck. Switch and hold, switch and hold, and reach. You're doing beautiful. Stick with me. You got this. Proud of you for showing up for yourself today. Last one. Bend both knees and rest the head. Circle your ankles and turn the head side to side. Bring it back to your middle. Going into our Criss Cross. Place your hands behind your neck. Elbows are wide to the side. Right leg in and left leg out. Reach your upper body up and over. Twist and rotate the torso towards the bent knee. And twist and rotate. Twist and reach. Thigh stretches away. Elbows side by side. Aim the shoulders towards the knee rather than the elbows. And out. Building that strength and endurance. And reach over. Beautiful. Let the head be supported by your hand. Switch and switch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend both knees in. Lower the legs down. Rest the hands by your side. Then bring your right leg into tabletop and kick it up. Left leg into tabletop and kick it up. Bring your chin towards your chest. Tug your right leg in towards you. And tug the other. Hands can be on the thighs or towards the calf. Find what feels good today for you and switch. Switch. Elbows are wide to the side. Slicing the air with the scissor kick. And switch. Switch. Feel the heat and the energy rising in your body. And switch. 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 And switch. Switch. And reach. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend both knees, rest the head. Going into double leg stretch. Reach the arms and the legs away. Circle around and in. For more of a challenge, lift the upper body. Keep looking at the belly button. Spine is lengthened up and over. Up and in. Imagine you're pressing the air with your feet. Arms reach out. Spread your wings out like a butterfly. Lift and reach it back in. 4, 3, one. In, rest the head, bring the legs back in, cross your legs over, rock up to seated, and turn around to face me. Let's go into a side stretch, bring both arms out to the side, bring one hand down, bend the elbow on the bottom hand, stretching your abdominals on the side, stretching your spine, and back up, arms to the side, and reach up and over, and lift, to side, up and over. Last one. Good. And up and back to your side. Rest the hand. Roll the shoulder blades back. 3, 2, and back. And you did it. Great job, you guys. Congratulations on completing this quick energy boosting ab workout. I hope you're feeling energized for the day. And if you're looking for more, be sure to check out our Pilates Nest Tribe, where we make it simple and easy for you to take care of yourself in the midst of your busy life at the comfort of your home, where we have full-length Pilates video, mindful mindset guide to help you live your life with more ease, energy, and joy every day. Check out the link below to get more information on the tribe.